This Lochnchn LED taillight assembly is designed to fit late-model Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 trucks with precise factory-style compatibility on the passenger side. The integrated light-emitting diode setup delivers strong, consistent brightness that improves rear visibility and makes braking and signaling easier for other drivers to see. Its housing uses sturdy automotive-grade plastic with sealed construction that resists water and road dust, which helps the light keep working reliably in harsh weather. The unit is built as a direct replacement with the correct mounting points and connector, so installation is typically a straightforward plug-and-play swap for the original lamp. Compared with older halogen-style tail lamps, this assembly offers quicker light-up response and a cleaner, more modern look that refreshes the rear of the truck. Overall, it feels like a solid, well-matched replacement that restores full tail light function while adding the longevity and efficiency benefits of light-emitting diode technology.